All right, so we're back working on the truck again. Got the engine out, so we got to work on getting this pretty in here. And here's the engine. I decided to pull the engine because of how dirty it is in here. It's got caked up oil everywhere. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get some light in there. It's all caked up. It's got a bent push rod. So I was just gonna replace the one side head gasket and let it run, but after I seen I gotta pull the other head off to inspect it or whatever, all this gunky stuff in here, I'm like, it's not even worth it. Let me just get another engine. So decided to get another engine. Let me show you what that is. All right, so here we have a freshly machined block. I decided to go with a 383 stroker. So the stroker crank is in there. It's bored 30 over, forged crank and forged piston. So this thing's gonna be good for some power. So we decided to go supercharged. We got a supercharger and it's a Vortec, what is it, V3? I don't know if you can see that there, Vortec V3. Should be good for about 6 pounds of boost, maybe 6 to 8 pounds. Then we're gonna go blow through carburetor. And this one here is a 750. It's a blow through setup and it's got the annular discharge boosters. So that should be fun. And while we're waiting for this, so I got the bumper off and I got to replace that fuel tank. It's got a big old hole in the side of it. I don't know if I showed it to you before, but it's down there. Let me get a good view of it. All right, so here's the rusty tank. See those rust holes in there? You can see the fuel just pouring out of there when you drive. So we're in the process of pulling the fuel tank out. All right, so we got the tank down. So that's mission accomplished. And then now we have a lot of area beautification to go on here. All right, go see the tank. Here's the new tank, brand new ski. See what's over here? Look at that. That's a big difference from the old one. All right, we'll go look at the old one over here. That's the new fuel pump. I'm gonna get another new fuel pump. And we can see how bad this really was here. It's just rusted through. So got a lot of work to be done. If you want, follow along, and it's gonna be a nice little project.